I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have another haul. Yes, another haul. Did you hear what my husband said at the beginning? Oh no, you can't stop this train now. That's not even fair. These are those bags I find on the front page, 2 different sizes, of AliExpress. They're a lot cheaper there than if you just search for the, what are these even called? I can't remember. The little bags, jewelry bags, they usually call them. I like these. We're using these for Winterfest to keep things separate. Look at this. This came for my Smart Doll. I need to be careful with this because it honestly looks like it could do damage. Cut my hand. Yeah, I really do need to be careful here. Let's slide it out. Okay, it's not sharp, but it is cute. That'd be cute for my Cyber Shell Divergence. She is in black navy. I was wondering how to dress her, and Darren said, isn't it a Cyber Shell? So we're not going to dress her, I don't think. We might down the road add something. Oh, this is larger than I thought, but good for one of my bigger dolls. I bought this. I've been doing a lot of Star Trek videos, you know, not daily or anything, but so I got this keychain. I thought it was cute. I thought it'd be cute for, you know how they have this on their shirt. I thought that would be cute, but it's a little larger than I thought it would be, but I'm okay with that. I have a lot of different dolls. Oh, I thought it went the other way. There you go. I watch the show. We watch the show every day at lunchtime. We watch the different series. I got another one of these, you know, when they offer these as cheap as they do. And I have so many Smart Dolls, and these are just cute. They're just, actually I have more than just Smart Dolls in 1/3 size, and those are just cute. This is a much lighter pink than the ones in the past have come in. Those, again, go to the front page, the home page, and follow, son of a gun. If this is, oh no, it's right. Oh, I keep getting satin. I don't want satin. I want the cotton blend. And finally, it came in the cotton blend. I need this for Winterfest. I think it's real cute. So finally, the right stuff came in. I'll be using that up. And I'll be using it up quickly. I am sewing. Darren's 3D printers go about non-stop. What's on them? My doll stuff, Winterfest stuff. He's always like, how many more hangers? How many more cups? How many more? Do you need this? What do you need next? Look at this. Boy, that seems large. That is adorable. I wear, well, Darren and I wear orange sweatshirts on our bicycles in the fall and winter. We put clothes, you know, we get a larger size and wear layers underneath so that we are well seen while we're out there. So I got this for Genesis, and if you don't know who Genesis is, she is my bike riding Smart Doll. We take her, she went to a Oktoberfest the other day. She gets to go places. She's a Smart Doll on the move. But we take her on a bike ride. She's got, oh gosh, 150 or so miles now. Let's see what these pins are. Okay, I got another one, which is smaller. Where'd that go? Here we are. Smaller, but still, I don't know, that's pretty big. And then I got the, you know what, I'm just gonna cut this, because these I do not reuse. If they have big sticker across them, I got a tie-tack pin with the Vulcan salute. Is that what we call it? I thought that was cute. We went to an Oktoberfest. I saw one of our sons there. Then we went and visited 2 other sons and their families. Had a marvelous day. Okay, not something I would order. This is not my order. I'm going to set this aside. I'll show you what I got. It is underwear that look like granny pants for, I don't know, maybe a Barbie. Those are really going to be granny pants. My dolls don't wear underwear. They've got nothing to protect or cover, or it's a plastic. They don't need underwear. It makes panty lines and clothes harder to go on. I would not have ordered those. I'm going to have to look up and see what I did not get and then fight the sellers. Pretty much when you shop at AliExpress, the prices are fantastic. But it's like going to a slot machine. You put your money in and hope what you order comes. This is for you, Darren. I bought you a keychain with 2 different screwdrivers. What do you call it? I can't think.
Bits.
No, what is that called? Flathead and
Philip.
Philip. I couldn't think of that to save me. Damn, I hate that.
Thank you.
I thought that, you might want to throw that on your bike for a tightening here and a tightening there, and if not, I get it. Oh, some dragon rings came.
She's just trying to weigh me down.
I am. He goes so far and so fast. But I'm doing pretty good. I'm doing pretty good. All right, these I want to wear to an upcoming Ren Fair. I want to have a handful of, are these the same? They are the same, yeah. I got that for someone else. Isn't that cool? Mm-hmm. I thought that'd be fun. That's kind of loose. I'll have to tighten that down. Very cool.
Don't they change size?
Yeah. All right, I need to step it up here. I'm getting a little slow. I like to do these fast, but I can't always. What's this? Okay, this looks like something for my cyber shell. I'm gonna cut this one because it is, I think they were just gonna mail it to me like that. Oh, the postage. Oh, that falls apart. That's pretty cool. That looks 1/3 size and like cyber or anime or gamer type, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of cute. And then we've got something else here I want to carefully open. Trying to find things and weapons in 1/3 size that would look like something they might carry. Oh, another dragon ring. Let's open it up. Oh, quit putting all these labels on these bags. I don't reuse them when you do that. Okay, we'll see if this fits another finger. It does. It's fall double-headed dragon. Pretty cool.
Very cool.
And my rings are starting to spin. I'll have to put my winter rings on soon anyway. I like those. I wanted different ones for different things. I wear quite a few rings. Different rings for different fingers. 2 pair of the white boots. If you've never seen these before, they're fantastic. If you sew the back, if you take your zipper down to however tall you want it, and you sew a stitch across, your zipper will stop there. It'll be, your foot will have to go in and then past it, but it works. I also have taken markers to these boots and changed. I've done blue and brown and, gosh, what else have I done? I think I did red and some other colors. So those are 1/3 size doll boots. They are not expensive. They are less than, some of them I got for less than $3, but usually less than $4. Front page AliExpress homepage. And then they give you options of what sale do you want to go to. Oh, cool, okay. I bought black socks. I've been making leggings and stockings out of these for my 1/3 or Smart Dolls. Is there any more? Yep.
Is there more?
Okay, let's see this. Oh.
That's a wig.
I hope it's the wig I'm thinking it. You hear me say I need to be careful? Yeah,
it's just a word to her. It just has no meaning.
her? Aren't we both kind of like that?
Yeah, but I'm behind the camera.
We're like Ike and Tina Turner. We don't do nothing slow and easy. Oh, it is the wig I'm waiting for. This is for an upcoming collab. You are going to want to see it. It's really going to be a fun collab. I have a purple wig like this. When I ordered the first one, I was iffy on it, and I thought, well, I can cut it off, you know. And then I put it on the doll, and it's like, oh no, not only am I not cutting that, I need another one. So I ordered it right away. I was hoping it would get here. I am planning to do 2 dolls for this collab. We'll see how it all comes up. Darren and I have a lot coming up in October on our channel. You're not going to want to miss. He and I are even going to do a contest with Blythe dolls against one another. And I got to tell you, he's got some cute ideas. And we are going to let you decide who did it best. Look at this. I was anxious for this to come. This is a 1/3 doll sweater dress with a matching hat. I thought that was so cute for the fall. I have a lot of sweater dresses for my Blythe dolls. I love it. This does look fat. I like them tight on them so that they're more sexy. I really like these colors. We'll see how that looks in a bit.
And good for a Maya Rain orange on October 3rd.
Oh, for the 24-inch of Maya Rain. Good eye, Darren. See, he's part of this channel. He doesn't care about the dolls, he cares about me, which is so fun. Oh, I hope this is the jacket. I think it is. We have the upcoming 2024 Smart Doll Winterfest coming up in January.
25.
Yep, 25. I knew I'd be doing that. I don't care for the skirt, but look at this little top. My girls are going to need winter clothes for the Winterfest. Oh, that's really cute. And it Velcros up the back. Here's what I wanted. The little trench coat. Isn't that cute? I think I'm going to change. I'm going to go get some smaller buttons. I don't know, like this size, maybe even smaller. It's kind of big, don't you think? But cute, 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 cute for those dolls. Here's another package.
Nope, that's the...
Oh yeah, that's the underpants I wouldn't have bought. And not only that, I would have got sexy ones. Why would I want those granny peeps? This is a doll for an upcoming face makeover, October. And let's check her out. Boy, she's got white skin. Absolutely perfect. I mean white. We used to call those China dolls. Love that. Love, love, love that. She came with hands. Again, I tell you, front page of AliExpress. I bought some Blythes. I bought several Blythe dolls that are coming for purposes. All of them were less than $15. Some of them were less than 12 or less than 13, and many of them less than 12. I'm going to take this off first. Make sure this is up far enough. When you pull the string of a Blythe doll, support their head. Pull gently but firmly, and their eyes change color. She's cute, isn't she? I like that brown. That's going to work out really, really well. Oh, I like that she's so white. That's really perfect. So let me put this away and show you what I bought in the store. Just some fun finds. This was from Dollar Tree. And I saw these little outfits. I know a lot of you are buying these little dolls and the wigs and the whole bit. Very cute. I bought these 2 outfits for my midi Blythes. I think the shoes might fit too. They're probably a little big, but they might be cute. I couldn't resist these. I don't wear socks, but I have a friend that does, and I think she'll like these real well. She can wear it with her Spingoolie t-shirt, and that is Dory from Dory's Dollies. And then I got this I'm not a gamer, but I thought it would be cute for the 2025 Winterfest for a tablecloth for some of the lives. And those were $1.25 a piece. Went to Walmart yesterday. We went to St. Louis, Missouri. Like I said, to the Winterfest.
The
And I wish I
Oktoberfest.
God, there's so many fests. We have 3 Ren fairs coming up that we're getting ready for. We had the Oktoberfest, of course we have the Winterfest, and other things going on. So, but stopped at a Walmart on the way to St. Louis and loved the clearance aisles. I got pencils. Always after the back to school, go to Walmart, get your office supplies. I use a lot of pencils. Darren uses pencils. He mostly marks like projects, wood or tubing, piping and stuff with pencil. I mark fabrics and tweak patterns. This one was 10 cents, this one was 25. Look at this fall.
No, they were both 10 cents. They came out.
Oh, that's right, they did. 10 cents for 8 pencils. All of this fabric in a fall print was $2 a yard.
That's
And
my
at
favorite.
first, what?
I said that one's my favorite.
The middle one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it too. At first, I only put these in the cart, and I thought, you know what? For $2 a yard, I'm going to go ahead and get a little extra. And then I thought, you know what? I'm going to get Nicole a set from Not the Cool Dolls because they make the cutest clothing. I don't know if they'll use it or not or want it. Going to offer it to her. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. Please make sure you are still subscribed. And if you have never subscribed, please do that.